get to Not Scary Farm. There's a sign. We're so excited. Happy birthday, Brittany. Woohoo! VIP. Making bad decisions all night tonight. Oh my god, that's so creepy. We're about to go into the sanitarium. You guys are not gonna fucking believe the ride that I just went on. Alright you guys, we made it. We just met up with some of our other friends. We all just peed in a bush over here. I think Brittany's still back there peeing. We're about to go into the park and we're excited. It's like 9 o'clock, like past 9 o'clock. There's so much traffic. I forgot how much traffic is in LA, but it's gonna be awesome. I'm really excited. Okay, so we're still here. Everyone's taking Jello shots in the car except for me and Trav. We're the designated drivers for the night. It's okay, just put it under the car. Alright, are we ready? Let's go in. Let's go do this. We're going to Not Scary Farm. We're going to Not Scary Farm and I'm so excited. There's a birthday girl. We're telling such funny stories, you guys, of like when we were in high school. And she's like, remember when we got suspended? I'm like, no, I don't remember. I have the worst memory. So she's telling me all these.
She doesn't remember anything.
I really don't. So she's telling me all these amazing stories and I'm like, yes, more story time videos that I can tell. Of stories I just didn't even remember that I had.
Don't worry, I'll tell her all of them so she can tell you later.
Yeah. Her and I have been friends since high school. We have some great memories. Let's just say that. Got in a lot of trouble, had a lot of really good times. We're celebrating her 30th birthday at Not Scary Farm.
Only a month after hers.
Woohoo! And you guys, she was my maid of honor. If you don't remember, she was like in a lot of my wedding videos.
Technically bridesmaid, but we'll go with that.
Right, what did I call you? Maid of honor? Whatever, Brad, you know what I mean.
My sister would stab me.
Alright, you guys, look, we're here. Not Scary Farm. Our whole group got like front of the line passes. Whoa, I'm really zoomed in. We are in the little information place. We're getting our VIP front of the line thing. We're all getting one of these little skeleton keys that are pretty awesome. Actually, here. They look like this. Isn't that so cool? This little key unlocks like rooms in the haunted houses. So that'll be really cool. There's so many of us. There's Mona, Christina, Amir, Brandy, Brittany, me, and who's back there taking selfies. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool, you guys. My friends are awesome. Look how cute they are. So we literally just walked in the park and we go through like this place and there's just like fog everywhere and like all these bright lights and you can't see shit and these monsters jump out of nowhere and it's so creepy and scary. Like, oh my god, it's gonna happen right now.
Walking to somebody.
You can't see anything. We're going into Pinocchio, guys. You know what I mean? Oh my god, that was really scary. Alright you guys, this is the next haunted house we're gonna go on. Forevermore place. She was screaming the whole time.
I know.
Brandy is the funniest. She literally screamed so hard.
Yes, you were screaming more than me!
No, they were attacking me, that's why. Let me just defend myself.
No, you were screaming more than me!
I was screaming because they attacked me, a bunch of them at the same time. And you guys didn't come to help me or protect me. They're terrible friends. Don't let them
befriend you. Don't let them. Don't let them.
Oh man. That looks creepy. Oh my god. Are you okay, Brittany?
Oh my god, that was exhausting.
Yes, it's so
hard to get scared.
Yes.
That was really She did try to save me though when we were in that little last thing and the thing opened. She like grabbed me and ripped me backwards.
That was so
I
scary.
think she tried to save me or use me as a shield, I'm not sure.
Oh my god, you guys, these houses are so scary. We're on Bloody Clementine, you guys, look.
Citizens of Canada, to place your
Folks, when the train stops, go ahead and stand up and
You guys are not gonna fucking believe the ride that I just went on. That one. And you wanna know why? Because it's this bitch's birthday. She wanted me to go.
I forced her to go.
Yes. And I did it.
All the way up.
Yeah, you guys, look at this. I went on that. It goes all the way to the top. And then it drops down. And it's so high. The whole time on the ride, I'm like, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. I'm gonna pee, get me off, I don't like it, I don't want to do this anymore. Brittany's like, it's okay, you're okay, you're okay. And I'm really proud of myself that I did it, but it definitely fucked with my equilibrium and made me a little dizzy, and it was scary as shit. That's all I have to say. But I guess that's half the fun is being scared. So, good times. Good times for Brittany's 30th birthday. Oh my god, how creepy.
Silence, you fools! How dare you whip my sword! new reality. Nothing will stop the conflagration!
Holy shit. You guys have to go to Not Scary Farm. It's scary as fuck and it's awesome.
And my friends don't ever tell me when the scary people are coming to get me, and somehow they seem to like attacking me. They come for me every time, and everyone just stays quiet and lets them get me. And I'm like, what the hell? You guys are really bad friends for not protecting me, especially my husband. What the hell, husband? I want to go into some of these cool stores.
Oh my god, don't go through there.
Look how cool all this is decorated for Halloween. Probably the dumbest decision of the whole night was me agreeing to do bumper cars with my really bad back. And there are a shit ton of people doing this.
Dude, we're not even gonna be able to move. There's so many people
Yeah.
right here.
There's a lot of people and they look very mean. Let's put this down. Travis and I are in the same bumper car. By the way, we just ran into one of you guys and it was so nice meeting you. So if you're watching this, hi! We took pictures. I'll actually put that picture in here. We're about to do some bumper cars. Bumper cars.
We're gonna be doing some bumping and grinding.
Making bad decisions all night tonight.
These
Roller
are-
coaster, bumper cars. What am I thinking? I'm with my friends. It's peer pressure.
These are like the rides that you get off, and as you're walking out, you're like looking at the people. You're like, what the asshole?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome aboard, riders to bumper cars. Make sure to stay seated at all
I
times.
know, look at
Flat bars down, the heroes on the wall, and don't head off the mission. Stay and enjoy your ride.
Oh my god.
If your car does not start, make sure you're pressing down on the gas pedal. That's on your right hand side.
Honey.
Hold on, we gotta go to reverse.
What the hell?
Have someone come and get you, and your car will start up.
We have no power. This thing is so. I'm full throttle. We have the slowest car here. I'm full throttle right now. I'm going like.
White t-shirt and the yellow car, so this car
Who's behind us? Look at her.
Oh, look at this.
back
Look at
there.
this mess over here.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, we got a road jam, a roadblock.
This is kind of fun. Just don't do too many circles. I'll get dizzy. Well, fucker just bumped into us.
Oh, there's Brittany. Let's go get her.
Get her. Get that birthday girl. Happy birthday, bitch. Hey, baby, can I get your number? Can I get your number? I have to admit, that was a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. Alright, you guys, we're going to go to our next haunted house.
Wow.
Go ahead. We're going into the trick-or-treat haunted house. Mom, you ring the doorbell. Too late now.
Oh shoot, already? Jeez. Oh
A raven of stone no more shall be. My will be done with fear and fright. So look at me.
favorite one was the Dead Winterland, or what the hell was that one called? Dead of Winter. That was my favorite one by far. That was definitely the scariest.
Yeah, that's how I feel at work when you go to work. Screaming at me. Yeah. So like, yeah, he's screaming. I was like, how's your good? Why?
We're about to go into the sanitarium.
Hello everyone and welcome to our live episode of Paranormal. We are on the grounds of Hayden Hill, an old hospital where it is said that demonic spirits are still lurking in these empty homes.
This thing is never going to work.
Hey, hold on.
Oh, yeah. So we built this EMF stimulator that, when engaged, it would radiate through electricity through the walls, supercharging the atmosphere, and in theory, a ghost should appear. So, yeah, let's give it a shot.
All right, buddy, crank it up to 20. Here we go.
Pod going to 20%.
If there are any spirits here with us, show yourself. I'm not seeing anything, buddy. How about you? Anybody ready? No? Okay, let me try it again. Let me reset it. Remember, guys, this machine does use a lot of electricity. It's working. Barry, really use your help right now, buddy. Oh!
You're all going to die.
What the hell? Whoa, dude! What the hell?
Dude, seriously though, we lost everyone. We're all by. Oh my god. Are we going the right way?
Huh?
Are we going the right way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now.
Hold my hand, babe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You guys, seriously? We lost our friends in there. I don't know where they are. Freaking the fuck out. Like, seriously freaking out in that maze. That was really fucking scary.
That was the most scared that Shannon's been so far, babe, huh?
Yeah, that was really
You did
fucking
not
scary.
like, she did not like that one, I'll tell you that.
Breathe.
That was really
Where are
funny.
our friends? Like, we lost our whole group of friends, and we were literally the only ones walking through that maze all by ourselves. Like, that was really creepy because it was a ghost maze. Creep me out. So scary. I hope that you guys are able to see some of this footage because it's creepy. easy time at Knott's Scary Farm. I had a fucking blast. This place is awesome and I plan on coming here every fucking year.